Today I am stoked. We are going to be installing the form lighting tail lights on the Tacoma. Alright, let's get busy. There's going to be a few bolts here. We're just going to have to unbolt. It's that simple. Okay, so now you're going to take tail light off. And it just pops out. Alright, so we do know that we're going to have to take the bulb out of this for sure. But let's go ahead and start disconnecting these. Okay, so looks like we're going to have to turn these, and this should just pop right out. Turn that one. And turn that one. And it is disconnected. There we go. That's simple. Just pull them off. Okay. I would recommend also getting a pair of pliers, because squeezing that down and pulling it is the easiest way to get this off. Let's go ahead and take out this bulb. Squeeze down, pull, you're done. And now let's disconnect the other side. We probably don't have to remove these bolts. Looks like this one and this one is the one that really needs to get removed, but I'll just remove them for good measure. Alright, let's pop this out. There's a little groove under the OEM taillights. It gives you a little place to be able to pull it out. So just there we go. Alright, so same thing. We'll twist it out, pull out the bulb, twist it, pull out the bulb, twist it, pull out the bulb, and pull that off that groove right there. Let's go ahead and remove the bulbs so it doesn't get broken. We have glass everywhere. Easy peasy. Take our pliers. Squeeze down on this. And pull. Do the same thing for the others. There we go. And the OEM taillights are removed. And also, let me point out before I connect them, this right here, this connector here, if you don't want the sequential turn signals, just disconnect it. Alright. You can't screw this up, but it's only going to go one way. Snap. Make sure that's snapped. And then this final one. It goes that way. Snap. Okay. Let's push those back into the back there. Turn this up the right way. Let's get the plastic out of the way a little bit. Go right in there. Let's go ahead and pull this back a little. Make sure it's, there we go. And there we go, it's in. Let's go ahead and put our bolts back in. Let's get that started so you can see right there. It's in there. Let's get these started. Like I said, I don't think it was necessary to take this big. Now normally I would say test this out first before you put it back in, but we have an electric ratchet. So let's just go ahead and secure it and then we'll test it. If we need to take it off, we'll take it off. But if you do have a regular ratchet, say yourself from work, I would definitely go test it out before we do anything else. Okay, real tight. Our test worked. So let's go ahead and remove the film. Set it to the side. Now let's install our other side. Our test worked. So let's go ahead and remove the film. Set it to the side. Now let's install our other side. Let's kind of get this plastic out of the way. You'll notice right here, this and this will go into these two holes here. So that's what you've got to line up. Like I said, on the other side, these, you can't mess this up. They will only go one way. Snap. Snap. The final one. And snap. Like I said, you can't mess that up. Let's go ahead and put this back towards the back. Let's line that up. Take off the edge around that. Alright, we see our holes are lined up. And it does look like we'd have to take off this bolt down here as well. Do you see that? These two and this one is the one you have to take off. Alright. Let's get our boat started. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and take that plastic film off. And we will test this one. Thank you for joining me today on Smoky Mountain Taco. We've installed the form light and tail lights, and they look absolutely great. Be sure to click like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel and helps to grow. Keeps me stoked for making more videos. But thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.